Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to calculate the NHIF monthly premiums using Lookup, Vlookup and XLookup. So this is my second part of the video on how to calculate NHIF premiums. So the objective of this video is to discard the table so that we work the NHIF without the use of the table. So to start with, we are going to select this table. So we press equal signs, then select the table, and then you select these cells here, then press F9, then Control C to copy, then enter, then click the formulas tab, then click defined name or the defined name. So then here in the name you can write any name, so I'm going to write NHIF, and then here I will now paste those values. So that is, you put equal signs, then Control V to paste, then click OK. So that name is now formed and it will be used in Lookup and Vlookup. So let me also select individual columns. So that is equal to, so select the first column and then select the cells in the formula bar, press F9, then again Control C to copy, then enter, then that is, or you can undo, then define name. So this one we shall call it NHIF 1, then you paste those values here. So those are the values for this column here, then click OK. So we go to the second column again, so we press our enter equal signs, select the cells in the second column, that is Control Shift down arrow, then Control space bar to go up. So then select the values in the formula bar, press F9, then Control C to copy, then undo that one, then you can escape, then press define name, then call that one NHIF2, then here press equal sign, then Control V to paste, then press OK, and now we have the named ranges. So to see the named ranges, you press Control F3. So here they are. So let us see how we shall use them. So now we can remove the table. So select the table, then delete. So now for the lookup, you enter equal sign, then you type lookup, then select this cell, that is the lookup value, comma, then type NHIF, now the table that was there, close bracket, and then enter. So now we have the value there. So anybody earning 25,236 will pay 850. So double click there, so you have the rest. So as you can see there, so let me show you that. So we have all the values here as shown there. So then for Vlookup, so you say is equal to Vlookup, a lookup value, comma, NHIF, then comma, so column index is 2, close bracket, then enter. So you get the same value. So you get the same values as the values in lookup calculations. So then in the last one, so that is XLookup, you press equal sign, type XLookup, lookup value is this one, then comma, so we have lookup array was NHIF1, then comma, return array is NHIF2, then comma, if not found, so put double quotes. So that is, we put the double quotes, then comma, then we go for the next smaller item, so this one, close brackets, and then enter. So you have the value. So that is now without the use of the table. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my part 3 on how we shall use a different formula to get the NHIF premium calculations. So see you in my next video, and please subscribe.